Hey, this is Bikash. So I've been using this laptop, which is MacBook Air, for 2 years now, and I wanted to get a new laptop for my work. I thought of switching to the Windows product but it's really hard for someone who has been using Apple product for some quite period of time now. So I bought one from the Apple itself, which is MacBook Pro. So today I'm going to unbox it. So stay tuned. Let's get started. So yeah, this is it, MacBook Pro. So it's seal packed. I just got it off the box. It is 1.6 kg with box, I guess, and 1.4 kg on the laptop. So I'm gonna peel off this plastic wrapping. 13-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M2 chip. This has 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage drive. So let's get this out of the box. Ooh, you ready? Yay! This is it. A laptop, handbook with instruction, I guess. Yep. Instructions, handbook. Yep. Let's get it out. No, it's not the handbook. One power adapter, fast charging, and one Type-C cable. What's inside there now? Yeah, 2 sticker. That's it. Let's take this beast out of it. Okay, this is it. So this model has a touch bar on top of keys, one touch ID. It has speaker on the side of the keys.
Hey, how are you?
This one is a space gray. It comes with two color, one silver and space gray. That's super smooth trackpad. Control your brightness, you can do it. So yeah, that's all for the video today. I'm gonna set it up fully now and then start using it. See you until next video. Cheers. Hey Siri, what's the time now? You sure? Are you sure? It's not.